Hello guys once again, and here I'm back with an update for Aimogen based on your suggestions and requests. Many of you guys requested in direct emails to me that hey, add support for flux and for replicate. So the replicate flux models are really great for image generation and they're really fast. So because of this, I updated Aimogen and now we have replicate support in Aimogen. So go check it. It is linked in this video description. Until tomorrow, you will have also a discount for it. So grab this discount because it lasts only until tomorrow, 28th September. So let us dive into how you set up replicate in the latest update of Aimogen. So first of all, you will need to go to settings in the plugin and go to API keys tab, and here you will have to enter your replicate API key. So for this, click on the link from here and you can create a token, copy the token and paste it here. Save settings, and note that you will need to also set up billing and add your Visa card to the replicate.com website, because many models will not work if you did not have your Visa card added to the billing section of their site. Okay, so after this is done, we can go into the settings, so save settings here, and afterwards go to AI images tab. Here you will find the replicate API settings, and besides of this you can refresh replicate model list. So refresh replicate model list will give you the entire model list that replicate.com supports currently. So I recommend you play with many of these models, but the most interesting that I found is the flux-schnell. This is the flux model. So I recommend that you play with this also first and you test other models afterwards. So checking the flux model, you can test it directly in the playground. This is the fastest way to test the model. So you will have the AI playground menu and replicate image generator, and you can generate an image using replicate flux model. So let's set a dog and you will see that image is created right now, and the image is high quality and also really fast. So it's generated really fast. You can get the image, high quality image, in a couple of seconds only. So I recommend using this AI model for image generation because it's high quality and also performing really well and really fast. So you can use this in the bulk AI post creators. If you want to create posts, you can set up rules here in the rule settings. If you want to use the replicate AI models to create your images for the articles, in the article image source settings field, if you have added your replicate.com API key in the settings, you will see an option replicate. So select replicate, but if you don't have your API key added, this will not be here. So be sure to add your API key first. So after you selected this, the plugin will use replicate AI models to work with the images. So the model that you selected in the settings will be used also here. Okay, so there will be also an omni block for replicate image models. So you will have here in the models selection here, let me find it, AI image replicate. So you can use this omni block to create your AI image using replicate, the selected replicate model. Also, you will have this option in the content editor where you will be able to create featured images for posts using replicate, or you will be able to set images which will be added to the post using replicate. Also in the chatbot, you will have a chatbot extension. So if you go to extensions, you will have a replicate image extension, which will allow the chatbot to create images using replicate AI. So there will be also options in the AI forms, which will allow replicate to be used in the AI image generator for forms. So let me check more settings where you can use also in the AI playground. As I showed you earlier, the replicate image generator will be here. So go ahead guys and get some tests with the replicate AI models, because they are really nice, especially the flux model, which is great. So go ahead and check this model. Aimogen is linked in this video description. Let me generate another model, another image. So let me think about something. A vivid world with many cows on a field next to a big forest. In the sky, many birds fly. So, okay, so something random. And here it is, multiple cows, a herd of cows, many birds in the sky, the forest and the field. Yeah, so everything that we entered is checked. Okay, so go ahead guys and check this new model. It is linked, the Aimogen plugin is linked in this video's description. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Everything is welcome from your side. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. It helps me go forward. Until next time, this is all. Bye bye.